Hey guys, welcome back. Before we navigate any real document, we need a practice tree. Small, simple, and easy to understand. Let me show you what we are building and why do we need a new tree. Now you might be wondering, we already built a tree from a sample document. Why are we creating a new one? Now this is a good question. The tree we built earlier came from a real document. It had multiple chapters, multiple sections, and multiple subsections. That's great for the final system. But for learning navigation, it's too much. Too many nodes, too many levels, and too many distractions. So we are creating a sample tree. Just two chapters. One with a single branch, one completely empty. This way, when something works, you exactly know why, and when something breaks, you know exactly where to look for. Now we start with a tree that has two chapters. Chapter 1 is called Getting Started. Chapter 2 is called Usage. Now chapter 1 has one child, a section called 1.1 Installation, and that section has one child of its own. A subsection called 1.1.1 System Requirements. Chapter 2 has no children. That's our test tree. 3 levels deep on one side and completely empty on the other. Perfect for practicing navigation. Now notice the structure. The outer list holds top level node, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Inside chapter 1, there's a children list. That list holds section 1.1. Inside section 1.1, there's another list that holds subsection 1.1.1. Now this is a tree where parent knows their children, but children do not know their parent. The relationship goes only downwards. Now we print the tree for node in test tree. We print node title has length node get children with an empty list and children. Now this loop goes through each top level node. For each one it prints the title and counts how many children it has. Now notice node.getChildren empty list. This is a safe way to access the children list. If the node has no children key, it returns an empty list. Instead of crashing and the output tells us chapter 1 has one child, chapter 2 has 0 children. The tree is a list. Each item in that list is a dictionary. Index 0 is chapter 1, index 1 is chapter 2. Now here's something important to understand. The children are not separate item in the main list. They are nested inside the children list of chapter 1. They live inside their parent, not next to it. And that distinction matters when we navigate. Now that we have test tree, we can practice navigation. We will start with the root. We will look at the options. We will choose a section and we will move deeper. Step by step, we will build our navigation logic.